Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
Take a ride in the 2021 Escalade. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, running boards, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut, auxiliary transmission fluid cooler. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.